as to that person only if and when the person advises those with whom the person conspired of the abandonment, or the person informs law enforcement authorities of the existence of the conspiracy and of the person's participation therein. However, mere presence is not sufficient to support a conviction. Facilitation, to wit, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder. Any person who commits the offense of facilitation, to wit, conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, is guilty of a crime. For you to find the defendant guilty of this offense, the state must have proven beyond a reasonable doubt the existence of the following essential elements: that the defendant knew that another person intended to commit the specific offense of conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, but did not have the intent to promote or assist the commission of the offense, or to benefit in the proceeds or results of the offense, and that the defendant furnished substantial assistance to that person in the commission of the conspiracy, and that the defendant furnished such assistance knowingly. Conspiracy to commit first-degree murder has been defined on page 4. Knowingly means that a person acts knowingly with respect to the conduct or to circumstances surrounding the conduct when the person is aware of the nature of the conduct or the circumstances, or that the circumstances exist. A person acts knowingly with respect to a result of the person's conduct when the person is aware that the conduct is reasonably certain to cause the result. The requirement of knowingly is also established if it is shown that the defendant acted intentionally. Intent means that a person acts intentionally with respect to the nature of the conduct or to a result of the conduct when it is the person's conscious objective or desire to engage in the conduct or cause the result. The court will now explain to you the law applicable in count 2 in this indictment. First-degree murder. Any person who commits the offense of first-degree murder is guilty of a crime. For you to find a defendant guilty of this offense, the state must have proven beyond a reasonable doubt the existence of the following essential elements: that the defendant unlawfully killed the alleged victim, Adolph Thornton Jr., and the defendant acted intentionally. A person acts intentionally when it is the person's conscious objective or desire to cause the death of the alleged victim, Adolph Thornton Jr., and that the killing was premeditated. A premeditated act is one done after the exercise of reflection and judgment. Premeditation means that the intent to kill must have been formed prior to the act itself. It is not necessary that the purpose to kill pre-exists in the mind of the accused for any definite period of time. The mental state of the accused at the time he allegedly decided to kill must be carefully considered in order to determine whether